Hi guys, so this is a short video explaining pairing and resetting our RF remote controls and receivers. So this is for customers that already have the products or are thinking of buying the products. So in particular here we have the RC RF RGB-5 and an 8-zone remote control. So all of our RF range work very similar in the same way of pairing and resetting. So in this case I will pair multiple zones. So you would always make sure the remote control is on. So you turn the remote control on first with a red light in the top corner. You would click the learn button once. So you click the learn button, so do not hold it down. You then click the zone you're looking for, so zone 1, and then you select the colours. So you can see that there. So I make sure the remote was on, click the learn button, click the zone, and then select a colour. So now do the same for zone 2. So the remote is on, I'll click the learn button, I'll click button 2, and now I will select the colours for zone 2. I'll show you for zone 3 as well. So click the learn button once, click button 3, and select the colour. So there we have it. So with this controller, I have 1, 2 and 3, all zones controlled together, all paired. Now to reset, you actually hold the learn button down for around 10 seconds and you should see the light flash indicating a reset. There we go. And the base colour, the standard colour when it is reset is a white. So all of the colours are on, so it's a white type colour. I'll show you again here. So I'll hold the button down for 10 seconds and this strip should go to a white strip. So there we have it. So you click the learn button to pair and you hold it for 10 seconds to reset. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Check out InStyle LED.co.uk for more information. Thank you very much.